Hey guys, hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another very interesting video today. Another question kind of asked in tech companies. We're given just like a list of dates as you see from 8th August, 7th August 2022, 6th August 2022 till I think 20th June 2022. Just 50 dates. We have to find all those dates which are second Mondays of the month, okay? For example, if you remember 8th August, right? Like basically last Monday was the second Monday of the month, right? So we want to find all the second Mondays of the month, okay? How do we go about it? First step, right? Very simple. We want to find the day of the week, okay? There is a day of the week function here. So let me also display date new, and then there is a function called day of week of date new, okay? You can put this. And let's run this and see what we get. So basically 7th August, right? Basically last Sunday was like, it was a Sunday. So Sunday is like number, like one in day of week. 8th August was a Monday. So you get day of week value as 2. So Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3 and so on, right? That is the day of the week. Okay, this is the first thing. So now to find Mondays, for example, we can easily filter where day of week equal to 2. Okay, that is one condition. Now we want to find second Mondays of the month. How can we do that? So for that, there is another function called day of month. Okay, so if I say day of month of date new, let's see what we get. So it will just give the day. So for example, 8th August, day of month is 8th. 7th August, day of month is 7. 6th August, day of month is 6, right? It's basically the date in that particular month. Okay, this is fine. Now, how can we actually find if it was the second Monday of the month, right? What do we do? So we have these values, right? And normally, a week has 7 days, okay? First step, what we can do is we can divide this by 7, okay? To see what is the value. This will be step number 1 we will do. And now we get like all these values, right? Like 1.14, 0.85 and so on, okay? So for example, if you remember, this 8th August was a Monday. It was the second Monday. And we are getting the value as 1.14 here, right? How do we make this 2, right? How do we make this 2? For that, again, there is another interesting function in SQL called as ceiling function, right? Ceil. So what it will do is for 1.14, it will display the number which is higher than this number, right? The closest integer higher than this. So it will essentially display 2, okay? Maybe I will write this as a separate column so that you guys understand. So I will copy the same thing, okay, and I will just add the ceiling function to it. Okay, I'll say ceiling, and let's see what we get for this. Now as you see, we get 2, right? So the integer which is higher than this decimal number, right, the nearest integer, so it is 2. So similarly, right, let us go back to say July. If you remember in July, I think 11th July was the second Monday, right? So the value here we got is 1.57, but when you do the ceiling of it, we get the value 2, right? So this was the second Monday, right? And similarly, if you go down, I don't think we will have for June because 20th June already I think was past the second Monday, but you get these values, right? Essentially. So what we did was very simple. We found the day of the month, then we divided by 7, we got a value, and we are taking the ceiling of that number, okay? So now all we need to do is give 2 conditions. We will say where, so obviously we want to find the second Monday, right? So we'll say where a day of week of date new, okay? Day of week should be 2, right? Because we want the Monday, and also this the ceiling function condition. So we can say and this value, right, this should also be equal to 2, right? Then we know it is the Monday and it is also the second Monday, right? 2 conditions essentially, okay? We'll just shorten this and let's try to see the full query, right? So it's simple, right? So day of week we give a condition, then ceiling of day of month we get another condition equal to 2. Now when I run this, we get, so essentially we get 11th July, I think, which was the second Monday in that month in July, and 8th August, right? These are the only 2 Mondays which are the second Mondays of the month, okay? In the same example, if I wanted to find the third Monday of the month, what would we change? We would simply make it is equal to 3, right? That's it. Because day of week is still Monday, it's the same. For third Monday of the month, we will make this value equal to 3. Now we get 18 July, which was the third Monday, and I think in June, 20th June was the third Monday of the month. In August, since we had data only till 8th August, there is no third Monday, so we don't get that. So essentially, these are the 2 days which are the third Mondays of the month in the given data. Okay, wonderful function, day of month, day of week, and ceiling. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you again in another video. Till then, take care.